I am a bad cook. I burn the food. I add too much salt. I add too much spice. I forget to turn off the stove. I boil food for too long. I spill oil in the kitchen. I drop vegetables on the floor. I break a plate. I use the wrong ingredients. I mix everything wrongly. I make the food too dry. I make the food too watery. I forget to wash my hands. I forget to clean the kitchen. I overcook the rice. I undercook the meat. I forget the recipe. I make messy food. I feel bad about my cooking.